Hey everyone! Today we're learning 10 amazing food idioms that native English speakers use all the time. These expressions will make your English sound more natural and fun. Let's dig in. Our first idiom is a piece of cake. When something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy. Example 1. Was the English test difficult? No way! It was a piece of cake. Example 2. Learning to ride a bike was a piece of cake for my son. The literal meaning is an actual slice of cake, which is delicious and simple. The real meaning is something that's very easy to do, no problem at all. You can also say, that's cake, or it's a cakewalk to mean the same thing. Next up, bread and butter. This idiom refers to your main source of income or your basic livelihood. Example 1. Teaching English is my bread and butter. It pays my bills. Example 2. Writing books is her bread and butter, but she also does freelance work. The literal meaning is basic staple foods that people eat every day. The real meaning is your main job or primary way of making money, something essential and dependable. Fun fact, in some contexts, it can also mean your main or most important activity. Here's a modern one, spill the tea. This means to tell someone gossip or reveal a secret. Example 1. Come on, spill the tea. What happened at the party? Example 2. She spilled the tea about her celebrity encounter. The literal meaning is actually pouring tea and making a mess. The real meaning is to share interesting gossip, secrets, or fascinating information with others. This is very popular in modern English, especially on social media and among younger speakers. Couch potato, a funny one. This describes someone who sits around a lot and doesn't exercise or do much activity. Example 1. My brother is such a couch potato. He watches TV all day. Example 2. I've been a couch potato this winter. I need to start exercising. The literal meaning would be a potato sitting on a couch, which is silly. The real meaning is someone lazy who spends too much time sitting, especially watching television. Similar idioms include lazy person or just calling someone unmotivated. Apple of my eye. Apple of my eye is a sweet one. It means someone is very special and loved by you. Example 1. My daughter is the apple of my eye. I love her so much. Example 2. He's the apple of his grandmother's eye. She adores him. The literal meaning is an actual apple in someone's eye, which doesn't make much sense. The real meaning is someone who is deeply loved and cherished, usually by a parent or family member. This is a classic romantic idiom that's been used for centuries. Cry over spilled milk. Cry over spilled milk. This means to be sad or upset about something that already happened and can't be changed. Example 1. I know you're bothered about the game, but there's no point crying over spilled milk. Let's focus on the next one. Example 2. He lost his job, but crying over spilled milk won't help. He needs to move forward. The literal meaning is actually crying because you spilled milk, which is not a big deal. The real meaning is being upset about something that already happened and can't be changed. The message here is, accept what happened, and look to the future. Have your cake and eat it too. Have your cake and eat it too. This is about wanting two good things at the same time, which usually isn't possible. Example 1. You can't have your cake and eat it too. You can't work part-time and earn a full-time salary. Example 2. He wants a high salary but doesn't want to work hard. You can't have your cake and eat it too. The literal meaning is possessing cake while also consuming it, which doesn't make logical sense. The real meaning is wanting two mutually exclusive benefits or advantages that you can't have at the same time. This idiom explains that you often have to choose one thing or the other, not both. Tough nut to crack. Let's compare opposites. We already learned piece of cake for easy things. The opposite is a tough nut to crack, something very difficult. Example 1. Learning Spanish is a piece of cake, but Mandarin is a tough nut to crack. Example 2. This math problem is a tough nut to crack. I've been working on it for an hour. The literal meaning is a nut that's hard to open or break. The real meaning is a difficult problem or challenge that requires effort and persistence to solve. So now you have both sides of the difficulty spectrum. Salad days. Salad days refers to the best time of your life, usually your youth or early career. Example 1. Those were the salad days of my life. I was young, happy, and had no responsibilities. Example 2. In the salad days of the internet, everything felt new and exciting. The literal meaning is actual days involving eating salad, which sounds dull. The real meaning is the carefree, happy, best times in someone's life, typically their younger years. This is a more literary, classical idiom that sounds quite poetic and romantic. Sweet as pie. Our final idiom, sweet as pie. This describes someone who is very kind, gentle, and pleasant. Example 1. My neighbor is sweet as pie. She always helps me with groceries. Example 2. That little girl is sweet as pie. Everyone loves her. The real meaning is very kind, gentle, and pleasant to be around. Similar expressions include sweet as honey, sweetheart, or just a sweet person. There you have it, 10 food idioms to boost your English. Now you know what native speakers mean when they use these expressions. Try using them in your daily conversations, and you'll sound so much more natural. Which idiom was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons. Thanks for watching!